Hi, in this video we are going to demonstrate the installation of the PDP E800 DSP Windows drivers in a worst case scenario. Before you start, make sure I will open the software to show you that currently on this machine the driver does not work. There is a USB icon in the top right corner of the software. If this icon is gray, the amplifier is not recognized correctly. Before connecting the amplifier via micro USB, make sure it is connected to 12 volts and remote, and the green LED is on. Sometimes Windows will ask you to install a driver, but in this case Windows has used its own generic drivers. They will not work. Open the Device Manager by pushing the Windows and R key at the same time. Type dev-mgmt.msc. Check the COM port section and you will see a USB serial device. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Open the folder that contains the downloaded .inf file and select it. As mentioned in the beginning, this video shows the worst case. Windows prefers its own generic driver and ignores the correct driver. To force loading the correct driver, open the Update Driver dialog again, and this time select Let me pick from a list. Select Have Disk. Select the provided .inf file. In this case, Windows 10 refuses to use the driver because it is not digitally signed. We must reboot the PC in a special mode to allow the driver installation. Close all open windows, open the Windows menu and click the power button. Before selecting Restart, you have to push and hold the Shift key. Then click Restart. A menu will open. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Next, select Startup Settings. Now push the Restart button. During the boot process, a menu is displayed. Select 7. Disable Driver Signature Enforcement. This setting is not permanent and resets after the next reboot. Open up the Device Manager again and force install the driver like described before. Right-click the USB serial device and select Update Driver. Select Browse my computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select Have Disk. Finally, select the driver.inf file. This time Windows will ask whether you really want to install the driver. Select Install this driver software anyway. As you can see, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. The device name was changed to PDP E800 DSP. As you can see, the USB icon is now active, and you can connect to the amplifier in order to make settings.